Another one of my favorite little gadgets is this TSUPY USB 3.0 data hub here. So it has 3 USB slots, 2 on the side, 1 in the front right here. It also has an SD card slot and a micro SD slot. So you can attach 5 separate data devices to this one little USB hub. You have 2 of them, you have 10. Don't know if you want to, put all that on your system, but it does help because sometimes I use all these different cameras, right? I have this camera, the camera I'm holding. Also have a GoPro. I have a 360 camera. I have a camera sitting there. So I have a bunch of SD cards that I have to simultaneously back up, and this helps because I can just back it up to my hard drive there and have them all gone at once instead of waiting for each one individually. So that's why I like this little data hub, and like I said, it serves me well.